Good morning.
Yeah, ko pala si Mindy itong kumain.
Walking alone. Weng is out of town. But I must go for a walk even I'm alone. It's nice weather. Kailangan natin alagaan ating kalusugan.
Kumuha ka ng inumin mo, may inumin pa.
Ganda ng panahon eh.